Hey, welcome to the plant-based scratch kitchen, the rustic chickpea breakfast sandwich. You know, the other day I was out on a paddle and I thought I got to make a video of this delicious breakfast sandwich because I eat it quite often in the morning. So here we go. You can get the full recipe in the video description. But I start with chickpeas. I have lemon, or you could use lemon juice, sweet onion, and some salt. And that really forms the basis. Now, of course, with your sandwich, you can put anything you want. I've got radishes I'll use today, some tomato, some fresh sliced tomato, and then some avocado. Of course, you could put fresh cucumber, lettuce, whatever you want, and of course my bread. So I'm going to start with the sweet onion. We're going to add anywhere from 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup to this recipe. And we just do a small dice, and really simple. Use a sharp knife and you can see how easy it is to get a nice dice going. I love a good chef knife. That's all I need in the kitchen to prepare a lot of my vegetables. All right. I don't need all those fancy gadgets. Just give me a good chef knife and you can prepare a lot of vegetables. Now, we're going to just combine. So I've got the chickpeas. At this point, you could just mash them. I added the onions just because I'm doing the video so it gets all done at once, and some salt. And then we're going to use a mashed potato masher and just mash up the chickpeas. Since this is rustic, I'm not going to blend it. I want it kind of rough. And then we're going to use the juice of half of a lemon. You could use lemon juice if you like. And just here's a way, if you have some seeds, to prevent them from getting into your recipe. And then I do have a little bit of organic extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add about a teaspoon or so. You can skip this or you can add a little more if you like. It does add a little bit of flavor, and stir that in. Now, to dress my sandwich, I also have an herb garden going right now, so I'm going to put some fresh basil to be used on top of the sandwiches when they're done. Delicious basil, super easy to grow. Now, with basil and a lot of your herbs, the flavors come out when you cut them. So I'm just going to do a quick dice on these, and it really brings out the flavor of the basil. And now we're ready to dress the sandwich. I have a bagel and then some regular toast. And you can see it's about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup per sandwich. Now, I'm going to add my tomato. Again, you could use whatever vegetable you like, cucumber, salad, lettuce, whatever. And I already have my radishes. I am European, so I love radishes on my sandwiches. Now the avocado, and then I'm going to add my fresh chopped basil. And this just gives it a nice extra flavor. Sometimes I even put toasted pumpkin seed on top. And this is ready to eat, part of a savory breakfast. Great way to get some of your vegetables first thing in the morning. And this tastes delicious. Hey, thanks for watching. For more, go to speakingwellness.com.